And I said, let there be light!
Boom. We're losing people here. We're... Alright, show them the closet. So...
Is he not gonna lock me in there?
Never mind, we don't have to show them the closet. Day number 3 in Seminyak. We're gonna head to Coffee Cartel. Here we go. Better late than never, we finally made it here 30 minutes late. Our friend isn't here, unfortunately, but we definitely need to eat something, and then we're off to where?
Mono Beach House?
As you can see, everything was absolutely amazing. Sorry we didn't actually get it on video. We are way too hungry.
That's bomb. I want this every single day.
Yeah, amazing. Holy jeez, it was amazing. However, initially when we were going there, we overshot it by at least a mile or so.
Yeah.
We were supposed to take a right somewhere and we totally missed that. And then we went somewhere else to ask for directions and they told us to go in the opposite way. However, but they were really nice. And we had eaten there. Well. Yeah, they meant well. We had eaten at their place at Mozzarella last night and they remembered our names. It was amazing and it means that they actually do care about you and they're not trying, it's not a fake nice, they're actually sincerely nice people, very hospitable. Yeah, so with all that said, when we ate at Coffee Cartel, we both got breakfast burritos. She got, what smoothie did you get?
I got a green pump. It was like a protein smoothie. It was so good with mangoes and coconut on it.
Amazing. And then I got some berry smoothie thing and then we also got a dirty coffee, which is...
Dirty coconut. Dirty coconut,
which is... coffee with coconut water, really refreshing, really good. And we met up with our friend from Sejuk Villas. We sat and talked with her. So, oh yeah, going back to how we were like 30 minutes late, she was 45 minutes late, so we didn't feel as bad because we initially were very upset that we were such slackers.
Yeah, we were trying to find a place with Wi-Fi, try to message her and like tell her we were running late, we were lost. Like none of the Wi-Fi places were working for us. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It was a nightmare.
So I guess,
it all worked out.
Yeah, it worked out the way that it was supposed to work out, so that's really cool. So we've gone back to the, how do you say it? Petit Ingent 501 in Seminyak. And we'll give you a tour of the loft, because last night we got in here relatively late, so it wasn't justifiable as far as what you could see because there's no real light. And we highly recommend this place. It's really cool because last night, for the past 2 nights, we actually stayed in their sister property and at the Sejuk Villas. It was definitely a Balinese atmosphere. And then here is the completely opposite end of the spectrum to where it feels very posh. Like the decor in here is very modern. And so it was great that the dynamics were completely opposite ends of the spectrum. So it was really, really neat that we were able to experience both. And then after here, then we're gonna go to Ubud. But as far as today, well, right now we're gonna head to Manu for some lunch. Definitely need to catch up on our food intake because yesterday we toured how many waterfalls?
Like 6 or 7 waterfalls.
And we had nothing to eat. Well, I take that back. We had a floating breakfast, which was absolutely spectacular at Sejuk Villas. And then we were on the road from 8:30 in the morning to 8:30 at night. We saw, like she said, we saw the 7 waterfalls, which were absolutely spectacular, really amazing. The first one was, which one? Second Pool Waterfalls. Gorgeous, majestic AF, which I've been saying a lot this trip. And then right after Second Pool, we went to
Aling Waterfall.
Aling. And so those waterfalls, they're not as scenic. They're scenic. But the thing that's good about the later waterfalls is that the activities that there are. Cliff jumping, water slides. And it was really neat to see this one actually cliff jump and do the water slide, which is, trust me, she does not do things like this. And yeah, she jumped off of a 3 meter cliff jump.
I was really stoked about that.
Yeah, and I mean the 3 meters. It might not sound like a lot to you, but it was awesome to actually see her do that. And the water slide, which the water slide was probably 10 meters.
Yeah, the water slide was big, and it was very deceiving because it looked like rocky, which is why I was terrified. I'm like, great, I'm gonna get like beat up by these rocks and cut. So I watched multiple people do it first before I decided I would do it.
Yeah, so it was really neat.
But I did feel better about myself that I did the 3 meter because there was a guy who wouldn't even go off the 3 meter for like about an hour. At the very end, he went off it, and I was like, well, if someone else was afraid, at least I wasn't the only one.
And also the other thing of it, I guess this is a good time to go in the beginning of July because June is very touristy. And so the last week of June, the kids here are on vacation, and so they're back to school now, so it's not crowded as it typically is. So we were able to get a lot of really good footage. And
like even at the second pool, the guy said it was busy. We didn't think it was busy at all.
Not at all. Not at all. All the shots that we wanted to get, we were able to get. So that was really cool. And then now, after we finish up with Manu.
We'll get it right sooner or later.
I think it's
Mono.
Manu.
I think it's mono.
Mono's
M-A-N-O. It's M-A-N-O.
Mono's an illness, so we won't say mono.
That's
just because it sounds like
mono.
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 Yeah, so after we have lunch, we just had brunch, and now we're already going to lunch. Because we're trying to make up for yesterday again. We're going to go up to Ubud, going to stay at Udihana.
I think so. We'll find out.
Yeah, it's about a 2.5 hour drive from here. 3.
I think like an hour.
Oh, never mind, an hour drive. And I don't know where I'm going to plug this into the video. Well, you know what? Hopefully I'll plug this in the beginning of the video so we'll have kind of a preface for the footage, but I have no idea. Like as far as me and transitions and whatnot, we're working on it. It's a work in progress. We were talking about, this is one thing that she had put on her vlog. And her YouTube channel is Stephanie Stoven. Boop. Let's see if I can get this in post.
Or Stephanie Stoven. With their fingers.
or the link will be in my bio or never mind. You guys know. You'll be able to find it if you want it. She was saying how it is so convenient and important to book a driver, especially if you're going to be going from one side of the island to the other, because there's a lot of traffic, and it's so awesome to be able to not have to worry about driving through the crazy traffic. Because if you don't know, if you've never been to Bali before, the traffic's retarded. It's absolutely crazy. It is scary. So to have to not worry about that is priceless. And you can get a private driver anywhere from, I mean, quality is definitely a little bit dependent on this, and trust. We had our driver Volcano last year, so we trust him. So we'll pay whatever it is for him, and he always gives us a good deal. But expect to pay anywhere from $40 to $70 for an entire day. And with our driver Volcano, he will pick us up at 2 in the morning, and he'll be with us the whole entire day up until like 10 at night if need be. And it's all the same price. He takes care of the parking, the petrol. The only thing that you pay him is the fee for the day. And I think we pay him around like $60, and that's even including a tip. So that's really awesome.
Regular Uber driver from like a ride home when it's busy time and the surge is high.
Yeah, and again with that, we don't have to worry about our bags. Like he's watching our stuff in the car. There is not one worry whatsoever when he's with us. So that's what's amazing. So we highly recommend Volcano. Maybe I'll link him below if you are planning to come to Bali. Highly recommend him. I have nothing but good things to say about him. You can also, after roaming around all day long, you're going to be freaking exhausted, and you're able to take a nap. You don't have to worry about traffic, and you just take a nap, and you are living the Bali life. I'll stop right now.
Yeah, let's go explore.
Yeah, we're going to go explore, eat, and we will probably be talking to you from Ubud the next time that we see you. Peace! This is like the end of a vlog, but it's not going to be the end of a vlog. I know it's going to be a long time, so it was kind of worthless for me to say peace. We have made it to Ubud. It took about 2.5 hours because of traffic, and we stopped at a couple places to shop. Yeah. We've made it to Udihana, which is the hotel in Ubud.
Our luggage is here.
Heck with the luggage. check this out. This is what the room is all about. This is why we got this room. Look at this. Hello. Boom. Hopefully I don't fall in this. And boom. It looked good when we were looking at the information, but to actually get here and see that we have our own private pool, private infinity pool, overlooking a jungle, I'd say it's pretty rad. Why are you not in your bathing suit and in the pool yet?
I am.